In previous classes, we have done different problems on sets. That is different models on sets as well as applications on properties of sets, different types of sets, applications on union and intersection of sets, complement of sets, and different models on complement of sets, as well as we discussed about De Morgan laws, etc. These all have done some applications on De Morgan laws. Double complement of a given set is done. Now today we will discuss about practical problems on union and intersection of sets. We have some practical practical formulas on union and intersection combination. So if two sets are given, if they are not disjoint, if they have common elements, they have common elements in both the sets n of A and n of B. N of A union B is defined as n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. And then after n of A union B is defined as n of A plus n of B when they are disjoint sets. When there is no element in A intersection B. If three sets, if you have taken n of A union B union C is defined as n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. These are the three formulas which are useful to solve practical problems on union and intersection of sets. Let us discuss some problems, friends. It is given, if you observe in textbook, some problems are given, some problems will get worksheet and some problems will get practice problems. Now let us discuss one problem based on that. It is belongs to exercise 1.6. Okay students, what are the concepts you have learned till now? Let me revise once. First, introduction of sets. Second, types of sets. And third, how to represent a given set in form of roster form, list form, as well as you have learned how to write roster form to roster form to set builder form to roster form. Set builder form means by using a property, if you write, that is called set builder form. And then after you people have learned about different type of sets, and then after people have learned about properties of sets, and then after you have learned about operations on sets like union and intersection, components, difference of sets, and as well as you people have learned about Venn diagram representation. This is the last topic about practical problems on union and intersection of sets. Let us discuss some problems on that. It is given that if x and y are two sets such a way that n of x, now n of x is nothing but total number of elements in x, n of y first equals to 23 and n of x union y is given 38. Then we need to find n of x intersection y. I mean students, here number of elements in set x and number of elements belongs to set y and number of elements in set x and y are given. We need to find this. We will use this formula because when it is applicable when number of common elements is 0. So n of x union y is defined as n of x plus n of u minus n of x intersection y. This value we need to find. Let me substitute 38, 17, 23 minus n of x intersection y. If you add students here 17, 40, we will get minus n of x intersection y. Now let us 38 minus 40 minus x intersection y. If you observe here, it will be minus 2 because larger number is negative. Minus n of x intersection y. Minus cancel. Therefore, n of x intersection y is equal to 2. This is the way to solve problems on two different sets. Let us discuss some more problems on students. Yes. So when they have common elements, it is different. Students, when they have disjoint sets, it is different way to solve it. Let me discuss one more problem. That is fourth one is given. S and T. S and T are two sets such a way that S has N of S equals to 21 elements, and T has 32 elements, that is N of T is equal to 32, and then after it is given that N of S intersection T is given, values, common elements of Sn2 are 11. Then we need to find that how many elements are there together S and T, S union T. Same formula, students, let us be substituting this. N of S union T is equals to N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T. Let me substitute N of S 21 plus 32 minus 11. If you solve 21, 23, and we have 21, 23, 53 minus 11. If you subtract, we have here T, 42. N of S union T is equals to 42. If you want, you can do later, like this, we can. So this is the way to solve problems on this. And let me discuss one more problem, friends. And some of the problem you will get as a assignment as well as worksheet problems, so practice problems also, students. So please solve it. And the next problem is given that in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee. In a group of people, 37 like coffee, 57 like tea. Each person like at least one of two. How many both like both coffee and tea? So let us take N of T union C or C union T. Whatever may be, that is 70, students. N of C, coffee liking people, those who are liking coffee, is 37. N of T, those who are liking tea, and 52. Then we need to find N of T intersection C. How much? So let us take formula. N of T union C equals to N of T plus N of C minus N of T intersection C. As we know, this is given 70, students, and N of T is given 52, and it is given 37. We need to find this. If you solve, we will get, that is 70, 52, 59 minus 89, we got minus of T intersection, N of T intersection C, we got minus 19. So final answer, if you observe, students, N of T intersection C is equals to, if you subtract minus 90, minus cancel, plus 19 will get. This is the way to solve the problems which are given on this. So we need to substitute in the first, read the question thoroughly, students. After reading the question, what is the suitable formula to solve it? We need to take and then after substitute the values whatever you know. This is the way to solve, students. And when only given means, for suppose only coffee, for suppose they said to find those who are liking only coffee. It is not given, but for understanding I am saying only coffee, nothing but N of C minus N of T intersection C. Because in this T intersection C, in N of C means, let us we take, if you take graphical, through Venn diagram, C, T, if you take, it is a combination of T, C also. This is common part. If you subtract this common part from this, we get only coffee. So you need to remember like this, students, and you have some model problems based on that, and you have to solve it. If you don't get, you can ask me next class. What is N of C is given? N of C is given 37 minus 19 because common element. If you subtract whatever you get answer, that will be the people those who are liking only coffee. Only coffee means, students, wherever enough tea given, in that some people will like even tea. See, common part is there now. If you subtract this common part, then this total part itself is called only coffee. Those are writing, those are drinking. So in the similar manner, you have some more problems, students. We will discuss one more problem and we will conclude with this. And with this total entire chapter will complete. And if you have any doubt regarding, you please ask me next class. Okay, but you please revise thoroughly based on problem. For suppose one problem is given that in a committee 50 people speak French. In a committee 50 people speak French, 20 people speak Spanish, 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of two languages? This is very easy, students. Let me take both Spanish and French. Let me take S union F. S stands for Spanish. F. So total number of people are 50. The number of people those who can speak French according to problem is 50 people French. 50 people speak French. This we doesn't know. We have to find. In this 50 French people, these are Spanish can speak, 20 can speak Spanish, and both together 10. So we have to find this value. So this value SUF union F, that is equal to N of F plus N of. If you want first French, you take. Yes, order is not criteria, students here. Whatever these both have commutative property, that is why we can take F union S also, F intersection S also. So we need to find this value. This is unknown. So N of S minus N of F intersection S. Substitute values 50 plus 20 minus 10, that is equal 70 minus 10, that is equal 60. The total people, those who can speak either French or Spanish are 60 people. This is the way to solve the problem based on these students. You have some more models that I gave as the either worksheet or practice problems. If you have any doubt, you can ask me next class, students. Thank you, students.